Good morning, folks. We're in downtown Poplar Bluff, Missouri. And Gene's getting Charlie out, fixing to go for a walk over to the theater. But before we do that, I thought I'd show you these murals here. I was just over at the Railroad Museum, and that's something in video you might want to see. And there's an art museum apparently. And then there's a railroad bridge, looks like. Maybe it's just a mural of the bridge. I don't know what that is. There's no end to it. And the Rodgers Theatre. So I'm gonna walk down the Rodgers Theatre, sure enough. And it's just a nice walk here. There's some old buildings and some old buildings that are no longer here. But pretty neat town. I actually mistaked this town for somewhere over in Kentucky, thinking the Railroad Museum was there, but it wasn't. And so we were talking about what did we remember seeing about Poplar Bluff when we were here years ago. Well, as soon as we drove in and saw the Railroad Museum, we knew that's where it was. We were mistaken. So I had to go around and look at this town here, and they've got some really nice murals. This is one big panoramic mural. So cool. Look at that bear. Whew. Let's take a closer look around there. Big old cardinal. Yeah. Poplar Bluff is named for the poplar trees, which there's one of them right here in front of me, that grew along the bluff where the river went. I'm guessing. I'm not sure where the river is. I think it's behind me. And there's a railroad track over there too, as I remember. Oh, look at there. There's an old time barber shop right there. And it's working. Apparently they're working. So cool. I'll walk on down here towards the theater. Now this is just a small portion of the town, but oh, there's one thing I want to miss. Didn't want to miss. Look right here. And a Missouri tag on this old car here. Delta 88. I do believe that was an Oldsmobile. And sure enough, you can see it was, or is. That's got to be from somewhere in the 60s, wouldn't you say? Gentleman across the street there, looking about haircuts, maybe. Maybe he's the barber. Let's see that. There's a little mural there on that building. Davy Jones Locker. Well, I thought it was going to be a little hotter than it actually is. Got a nice little breeze going here. Probably in the upper 80s, but not too bad. I actually wish I knew more about this town, but the only way to learn about a town really is to go out there and see it. Or watch my videos. Well, you learn something. Somebody's tooting the horn. I wonder if that's, I don't know who that is. I wonder if that's my car. Saying you didn't lock the car. Well, I'm close enough, I can see it. Got some flower plants in the thing there. A little crosswalk, and these are brick roads. Brick roads have been around for a long, long time. The Hayes Music Store. And we got a little park here. Welcome to Historic Downtown Poplar Bluff. A little advertisement over there. Yeah. And there's Charlie and Gene. Yeah, I caught up with them. Aren't those neat? Can you imagine the guy that stuck that brick up there? Oh, you know, the one up there, upper right hand, right about 5 bricks down. Yeah, how about that? Looks like the paint's peeling off the building there on that mural, but they'll redo it, I imagine. As we get closer to the theater, look at these lights in the parking lot over here. I'd say they've been here for a while. Look at those lights in the parking lot over there. And here we are, right here at the stop sign of the theater. And they have a Facebook page. How about that? There you go. All right. Let's see if I can get across the street here. It looks like I can, if I hurry. There's the box office. Let's see what's showing, if anything. Johnny and June. Oh, cool. June 26th, 2026. Huh. Did we miss that? I think we did. No, we didn't. But we won't be here. 75 years old, this theater. I don't know whether you can read that or not. These doors are pretty neat. They're probably original. Let's see. Oh. That's right. Oh well. I may leave the coughing in. That's the way it is in the poplar tree, I guess. That's some signs of what's going on.